Welcome to Da Nang, literally welcome to Da Nang. Today I'm gonna show you how the airport looks like in 2026. And as you can see, it's packed. It's crazy. It's packed, guys. So I will go a little bit to the back and show you the whole picture, where you're gonna come out. You're gonna come out here where the arrival sign is, okay? Crazy to think this is the low season. It's packed everywhere. So you will come out here and then you can either go out straight or you go out to the right, to the ATM, for example. There are some ATMs with ATM fees. It's not the best, but if you want to have some cash, get a little bit and get it out here. So this is the international arrivals area, okay? Smoking area, the first one is here. You can go to the right, you can smoke here, you can get cash here, you can get an overpriced coffee over there at Star Coffee. It's good, but a little bit overpriced. So, and now you're coming out here. The first taxi drivers that will offer you rides for 2 or 3 times the price are not allowed to stand here. So the first ones will stand over there, okay? This is where they're gonna approach you first. This is usually taxi drivers and they will just tell you $10 to $15. But one time I actually met someone who paid $20 to the beach. Very bad, don't take it. You can go straight to the Grab station, I will show you that right away. But for now, we're gonna take a stroll here on the arrival area. And also I'm gonna show you the money exchange. So you can't just go to the left instead of to the right. You go to the left and this is what you're gonna see first. And right in the back, there are gonna be exchange booths. Let's check out how much it is there. There's some drink dispensers. There are also the bus groups are usually in the back over there. But if you're getting picked up from a bus group, they will also bring you there. So there we go. Da Nang airport is very small and very structured. It's a very, very good airport. I have to say that. One of my favorite airports in the world. Okay guys, no fee, no commissions. There's no price displayed. It's usually a bad sign. But yeah, here you can exchange money. It's even officially Vietcombank. I'm wondering if they are good or not. Maybe I should ask. Hello. Okay, 26.5. Okay, thank you so much. I will tell my friends. So 26.5, I think that's a good rate, to be honest. I asked for US dollar. They have everything. To be honest, I would have thought it would be worse. They said it's no commission, but I will check. 1 USD to VND. Check this out. 26.2. That means they would have gave me more. 26.5 they would have given me for 1 US dollar. And online it says 26.2. Crazy. So exchange money here, I guess. That's the Vietcombank. It's good. Very good. So here they're gonna be buses. Wow. I never asked them with how much they give you, but that's a good rate. Awesome. So you see, you exchange money on the airport and you get still a better exchange course. It's crazy. But now we're gonna go back here. And from this area, we're gonna take a walk to the Grab station. So there are 2 ways you can go from here. I mean 3 ways. You can also take a bus, but if you have to take a bus because you don't have money, you should not travel in the first place. So Let's walk from here. Here you usually get approached by taxi drivers. If you take Sun SM, you will take it over there. They park here, the electric vehicles. And for Grab, you are walking straight here to the Grab station. InDrive is the same. Grab and InDrive, they're all coming here. So here you also have to be careful. They already have some signs up that people should not approach you. I don't know why they're standing here. So here you usually get approached as well from some people. But sometimes, you see this? They even have some signs up there. Be careful about that. Other than that, it's very good. They even Grab people here. You see? There's a Grab driver, not Grab driver, a Grab personnel. You order the Grab and then you will get picked up here. You need the app though, you need the app. And the best thing you can do is download the app and put your credit card inside and let it taken away from the credit card. So you don't have to deal with cash, okay? This is how it looks, guys. Pretty modern. Hey, Tom! Oh my God! How are you, man? Now you're in my walks. Yeah. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Hello! How are you? Okay.
I checked out Asian landing.
The Americans are back here, huh? Awesome. Welcome back. I'm gonna go and meet a friend now.
Okay.
Okay. I'm good. Are you? How much did you bring? My God. All right. Okay. Okay, guys. Have a good trip. See you later, okay? Bye-bye. Oh, that's funny. It's crazy how small the world is. So Tam is also a viewer of this channel. Also, Tam is from Da Nang, but he living in America, in Silicon Valley, I think, or somewhere there. So there we go. Very simple, very small area here to deal with. It could be a little bit intimidating if you come here the first time because people talk to you, just like in every airport. But to be honest, compare this with other airports, it's more stressful somewhere else. It's very calm and good here. The rules are very good. They don't approach you here. They are not allowed to stand here. Only people who pick you up with a sign will stand here. So if you get a sign pickup, they will be here. And the signs will be just a little bit messy, but everywhere around that area. All right. This is how you arrive in Da Nang, Vietnam in 2026. Not much has changed. This is also from the international airport. If you want, I can also do one for the national one, from the domestic one, okay? So don't worry, it's a very easy, straightforward airport. Thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.